In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about nailing your home renovation project without losing your mind or your budget. Alright, so first off, when you're planning a reno, you gotta start with a solid budget that covers not just the big stuff, but all those little extras that pop up. Next, pick materials that are durable and easy to maintain because, trust me, you don't want to be stuck doing constant repairs or cleaning forever. Think about how you use each room too. If you're always charging devices, plan for plenty of electrical outlets to avoid ugly extension cords everywhere. Also, don't sleep on the importance of proper door and window installation. Getting it wrong can lead to drafts, water leaks, and security headaches. When it comes to design, keep things timeless and functional rather than chasing every trend because that stuff gets old fast. You should definitely get multiple quotes from contractors and check their reviews. It saves a ton of hassle later. While you're at it, make sure you understand the permits and local codes. Skipping this can cause major delays. Finally, having a clear schedule helps keep everyone on track and avoids those drawn-out projects that drain your energy and cash. One of the biggest traps people fall into is forgetting long-term maintenance when choosing finishes or designs. Going for something fancy but high maintenance means more work and money down the road. Another common mistake is improper door and window installation, which can cause air leaks, water intrusion, and even mess with your home's security. Last up, not planning enough electrical outlets is a pain because it not only reduces convenience, but also means you'll have to spend extra cash later fixing it. The simple fixes? Pick low-maintenance materials, hire pros who know what they're doing for windows and doors, and map out your outlet needs before the work starts. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer if you're trying to find trustworthy local contractors without the stress of endless searching. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners looking for help on their projects. It's like having a direct hookup that makes the whole process smoother for both sides.